Hey guys, just want to show you a custom fit out that's going out this week. So the customer has worked with us to come up with this design for his van. So it's very, very cool. So the drawer on your left is our kitchen. So you've got paper towel rack hold at the front, little condiment section. Now this unit is fitted on 2 sets of our 2-2 locking slides, just for the amount of weight. So this one pulls out like that. You notice it pulls out clear at the back to clear the customer's van. You've got a pull out section here. Lift up lid there. And then it pulls out again, which is your bench. So you've got your dish rack, chopping board and sink, and also another section. So a lot of storage space, but a lot of bench space. Very cool kitchen. The drawer on your right hand side is essentially a fridge slide with a couple of storage compartments. So up the top here, I believe you might actually be putting a microwave or an oven. The first drawer pulls out, bench space, lift up lid, and then that whole unit comes out to access your fridge at the back there. On the side of this unit, there is also cut out for all ventilation, so your fridge will breathe. But there you go, guys. That's another custom unit that the customer has come to us with an idea and a concept, and we've worked it through to this finished product. So if you had any queries or questions, guys, flick us an email or give us a call.